adjustment of the losses. Okay, set off. We are going to arise any losses from the any business or any house property, any other heads of income. If any person or a tax assessee, they are going to face the losses. Okay, so that particular loss we are going to how we are adjusting in the other heads of income. That topic and that minimum money we are going to discuss one by one. Okay, so set off already I told you is nothing but the adjustment. Okay, adjustment of the losses. Next, carry forward. So actually this term is nothing but we are going to face any loss or occurring any losses. That particular loss will be forwarded to the subsequent year. Okay, but in the term set off, suppose if we are facing any losses, that particular loss we are adjusting in the same year. For example, if we are facing a loss in the business 1 lakh. Okay, so that particular 1 lakh will be facing the year 22 to 23. Academic year 2022 to 23. As a person they are facing the loss. Okay, so set off at that time we are adjusting the loss in the same year. That is called the set off losses. If they carry forward, that carry forward will be in case if you are not setting the losses in the particular year. At that time we are going to forward. Okay, what do you mean by forward? We are going to pass it to next year. That is the subsequent year. That means 23 to 24. So this next assessment year we are supposed to forwarding. What is the reason we are going to forward? Can you tell? What is the reason? Speak up. What is the reason we are going to forwarding it? We are not able to set off in the losses in the particular year because of they are not getting the income in particular business. So that we are going to forward it to next year, next subsequent year. That is the reason only we are going to forward. Set off, please be clear the difference between set off and carry forward. Set off, we are going to adjust the loss in the same year. Carry forward, we are going to forward the loss to the next subsequent year. Okay, so that is the main difference between set off and carry forward losses. Next step we move to, suppose if we are going to calculate the set off losses, at that time we are going to follow some conditions. Okay, we are having 5 conditions. Condition 1 is, suppose if we are facing any speculative loss. Okay, so what do you mean by speculative? Speculative income or speculative loss? What do you mean that? Speculative is nothing but we are receiving income from any gambling. Okay, so that race or card games, winning lottery ticket, these are all coming under the speculative business. Okay, suppose condition number 1, in case if any person they are getting the loss in the speculative, at that time they are going to set off only from the income received from speculative, not other income. Okay, so loss, speculative loss you can set off only from the speculative income. Okay, next condition number 2, we are going to consider the long-term capital gain. Okay, what is called capital gain?